Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to a new video of Pick a Card reading, and this is a super important video and a very interesting one as well, because a lot of people ask me about how will be my finances in the future, how much will I earn, will I be rich, will I, all of these questions around the finances and the monetary aspect of life. So here I am with a new video, and like you can see, there are 3 pack of cards labeled in front of yourself, and you have to pick one particular pack of cards. And when you pick the card, you have to think about how you want your finances to be in the next coming years. All right, keep it a short term perspective, maybe the next 1 to 2 years, and also what guidance are the angels trying to give in terms of managing your finances. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's quickly jumpstart into the reading. Hello, if you have commented the first pack of cards for yourself, then this is the guidance coming for you. I personally enjoyed this guidance a lot because I see that you will be having a free flow of cash. That being said, there will be income, but at the same time there will be a lot of expenses as well. However, those expenses will be the kind of luxurious expenses where you will intentionally decide to spend money on buying goods and various luxury goods for yourself. That's a good thing. I also see that as far as the next 1 to 2 years in terms of finances are concerned, there will be a new income source that will be coming into your life. I don't see a pentacle card over here, but I do see a new option, a new project, a new opportunity which will be offered to you, and maybe you will have 2 income sources. If not that, maybe you will have a small side income along with the main bread and butter that you are having right now. One more amazing thing that I see about the finances is that you need to start being more grateful towards your finances. So on that note, I'll share a very simple affirmation with you, and if you want to attract finances into your life, I want you to comment on the box below that I am receptive to cash inflow. Once again, I am receptive to cash inflow. I am receptive to cash inflow. Or you can simply just start giving lot of love and acceptance to money as well. So if you want to attract money, comment below I am receptive to cash inflow, because I do see that the more you are receptive, the more you are grateful, the more you acknowledge the presence of the cash inflow in your life, the universe will bless you with some or the other miracles around at your workplace and in your finances that will help you to take care of the growing expenses as well. I also see that there will be a huge expense coming up as far as maybe some kind of celebration or some kind of there could be like a small gathering or a small get together where you will have to spend a lot of money, but that is something, like I said, it will be more towards the luxurious aspect of life. It will not be an expense to do with your health or some kind of liability. It will be more of an expense which will be coming out from a reason to celebrate and a reason to enjoy success. Also, I see that you will be entering into lot of donations or lot of social service activities as well. Now that has a very close connection with the finances, because only if you are able to earn lot of money and enhance your income, then only you will be able to spend money and donate money to the other people who require it more than you do. So the good news is that yes, I do see an increase in your income sources. I do see a choice card over here where I see the water element as well, and I also see the fire element in that. That being said, there will be income increase, but at the same time there will be increase in the cash outflow as well. So overall, it seems to be a good time for you, and the angels are just telling you one message, that be receptive to cash inflow, believe in the miracles, and keep manifesting abundance in your life. The angels are supporting you in whatever form you are asking them to support you. So all the best. And yes, a quick remedy for you is that keep chanting the affirmation I am receptive to cash inflow, and use the crystal pyrite if you can. Alright, this will also help you to attain some kind of stability and enhance the cash inflow in your life. I hope you like this video. Remember to like my video and subscribe to the channel as well. I will see you soon again. Till then, take care. Namaste. Hello, if you have commented the second pack of cards for yourself, then this is the guidance for you as far as your finances is concerned in the next 1 to 2 years from now. I see that you will not really be concerned or worried too much about the finances, and you will decide to sail smoothly and go with the flow. There will be enough finances to help you to take care of your daily expenses and the necessary items that you want to purchase. However, I feel that you will be focused more on the quality of life and the mindfulness aspect of life as compared to the material aspect of life. So I feel that even if you have a limited amount of money in your bank, you will make peace with it, and you will intentionally decide not to crib and complain and cry around the finances. That's a very good approach, by the way. I personally follow this kind of approach. Okay, now the second message which is coming for you is also that I see that there will be expenses in terms of traveling. So you might invest some kind of money, or you might end up spending the major chunk of your money in either sponsoring your own traveling or the traveling of maybe some of your close relative or family members. So I do see that there is a lot of expense coming up as far as the traveling and the adventurous part of life is concerned. You might also end up maybe investing some kind of money in some kind of recreational activity, like I see music over here, but it can also be to do with maybe dance, music, or an extracurricular activity. So if at all you have been thinking of investing your money in a different kind of hobby, a unique kind of skill, I think it's a good time, and the angels are completely supporting. Also, on that note, I feel that maybe you can practice this affirmation that my finances are stable and enough. My finances are stable and enough. Once again, my finances are stable and enough. So if you want your finances to be stable and more than enough, comment this particular affirmation in the comment box below. My finances are stable and enough. Because that is what I see for you in the coming 1 to 2 years from now, that everything will be all fine. There will not be any kind of reason to worry about. In fact, you will use this finances, whatever amount of income that you have, to invest in your quality of life, and you will decide not to run after money but to run after the quality of life. I also would suggest that try not to lend money to anybody, or try not to enter into a loan or liability as much as possible. So overall, in a nutshell, I do see that yes, the finances will be pretty good, decent, and there will not be any kind of major expense, and you will intentionally decide to invest in your own self-growth and personal development as well. So I hope you like this video, and if you do remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaste. Hello, if you have commented the third pack of cards for yourself, then this is the message coming for you for your finances in the next 1 to 2 years from now. I see a lot of money coming in, but at the same time I see mismanagement in terms of planning your expenses. So even though the universe is trying to give you abundance, I don't see a good management in terms of planning your expenses in advance. So make sure that now that you have this guidance, make sure that you have a proper planner and organizer, and you plan your income and expenses well in advance, because there are times when we start getting so much of money that we end up not realizing how to spend it in the right investment option. So make sure you invest your money well, and I don't think there will be a problem as such, because I also see the emerging and the support card, which is definitely telling me that if at all you have been thinking of buying a property or investing your money in a huge asset, I think this is the time for you. The year 2021-22 seems to be a fairly good time for you to enter into a new investment, into a new asset purchase, maybe I would say. But yes, that being said, even though your income is increasing, make sure that you have each and every tiny expense also pre-planned. All right, now also I see that there will be suddenly a situation where you will end up having lot of unexpected cash inflow from some old source. So if at all you have put in your money into a particular place and you have been expecting that returns to come out, I think now is the time when it will start coming up. All right, so make sure that you are receptive to all of these things. On this note, I want you to affirm this particular sentence and comment it below in the description box. I am blessed with infinite abundance. I am blessed with infinite abundance. Comment below. I am blessed with infinite abundance. Because only when you comment, the universe will listen to your affirmation and start blessing you with infinite abundance. So overall, I don't think there's a problem, but yes, I also see that there will be a sense of greediness maybe, which will try to enter into your actions after a point of time. So make sure that you are down to earth, you remain grounded, and you don't have this air about, oh, I am so rich. Make sure that no matter how much you are earning, no matter how well your finances are shaping up, remember not to be arrogant about it, and try to help the people around who don't have so much of abundance in their life. Like, don't become devilish or evilish after earning lots and lots of money. Also, it's a great time for you where you can start a new business, a new venture. You can enter into a new investment as well, like I told you earlier as well. So overall, I think there is not much to worry about. Just remember to affirm, I am blessed with infinite abundance, and remember to be humble and down to earth. I really hope the universe blesses you with infinite abundance, and remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you soon again. Till then, take care. Namaste.